Protecting your account with two-factor authentication is essential, and that's why in this video we're going to walk you through on how to set it up. So in order to begin, head over to the app, then log into your account by providing both your email and your password. Then once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the three dashes in the bottom right corner. And after that, simply navigate to settings. Then go ahead and tap on account security. And in the security section, find the option for two-factor authentication. Then once you do, click enable. You'll then be prompted to choose an authentication method. So either via an authentication app like Google Authenticator or by SMS. And if you choose an authentication app, simply open the app on your phone. Then go ahead and scan the QR code displayed on your Trading212 account. Then next, enter the verification code from the app into Trading212 to confirm. And after entering the code, you then see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is now enabled on your account. And for security reasons, you can then proceed to log out of your account once you're done. And that'll be all. So thanks for watching. If you found that insightful, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.